If you're looking to buy a home in Australia, getting a mortgage isn't as complicated as it might seem once you know what's needed. First, you have to meet the basic requirements. You must be at least 18 years old and either an Australian citizen or a permanent resident. If you're not, you'll generally need to be married to or in a de facto relationship with someone who is. Lenders will then look at your financial situation. They'll check your credit score, credit history, income, debts, and overall ability to make repayments. The stronger your finances look, the better your chances of getting approved. Before you start applying, gather the documents you'll need. For personal details, you might use your passport, driver's license, birth certificate, or citizenship certificate. If you've already found a property, you'll need to share details like its value, location, type, size, and age. But you can still apply for pre-approval without having picked one yet. Next is proof of employment. Most lenders ask for your last 3 months of payslips. If you're self-employed, they'll want other proof like tax returns instead. You'll also need to show your income. This could be your salary, rental income, or any extra sources of earnings. Lenders may also check your savings habits and work history. They'll review your assets, such as property or vehicles you own, and your liabilities like loans, credit cards, and regular expenses. This helps them decide if you can comfortably manage mortgage repayments. The exact process can vary between lenders, and some may ask for more documents or require you to submit them in person. But if you prepare these basics in advance, the whole application will move a lot smoother.